Meaning of getaway.
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 Getaway. The term getaway typically refers to an escape or a quick departure from a place, particularly if it is done in a hurried or secretive manner. It can mean a physical retreat from a dangerous or unwanted situation or a mental break from the stresses of daily life. A getaway could also refer to a planned trip or vacation to a new location for relaxation and enjoyment. Ultimately, a getaway can be seen as a way to momentarily disconnect from one's environment and recharge physically or emotionally.